Today we'll show you how to change your password on Facebook. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, first now go to your picture and click with the left and go to setting, click, go to setting 2, click, and now go to see more and icon center, and now go to password and security, go to change password, and now go to this, and here put your password correctly. Okay, and now put your new password, and this is retype it of your new password. Now if you want to look out from your device all like your phone and your laptop and all, you will click on this. If you don't want, you be it's still just click like this and click to change password. Just this is steps, just follow this is steps, and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.